Car key cutting Gold Coast. Lost your car keys or locked yourself out? Paradise Car Keys provides fast and professional car key cutting in the Gold Coast, ensuring quick and accurate key duplication. Whether you need a spare car key, a transponder key replacement, or immediate assistance, our skilled automotive locksmiths are ready to help. Our mobile car locksmith service covers key duplication, transponder key programming, and car lock repairs for all makes and models, including Toyota, Audi, and Volkswagen. If you've broken your key or need a new one, we bring our equipment directly to your location, eliminating the hassle of visiting a workshop. Our car key cutting Gold Coast specialists ensure precise key cutting and programming for seamless operation. Emergencies don't wait, and neither do we. Whether it's late at night or an unfamiliar location, our emergency locksmith service provides rapid car key duplication in Gold Coast, Queensland. Get in touch with Paradise Car Keys today for expert automotive locksmith solutions.